Hello YouTube, I'm back with Frankenstein. I got the seats out in the back, and now I gotta take this rear shelf off so I can get to the speakers. So let's do this. And with the shelf off, it's a simple, just use a Phillips screwdriver, remove the old speakers, and plop in the new ones. You don't need the ring on this one, not like the doors. It's just simple, unbolt, take out, bolt in. Speakers are in. Time to put everything back together. What happens when you have a 21-year-old radio? I tried to use the Ford removal tool. The plastic broke around the radio, and then the whole face broke off. But I got it out, and right here I used an adapter right here to splice up to to the radio harness of the new radio. So now I got to do is plug everything in and slide it in. Hopefully I don't have to trim around the edges here to make it fit, but I'm gonna find out in a minute. And here it is. See how it works. Oh yeah, it works. I don't want to have it playing too much, get a copyright put on me. But that's it, everybody. I got stereo in my car now, and I can hook it up to my phone. Life is good. Till next video.